Every journey begins where nature and patience meet.
Harvesting demands precision to protect what lie inside. Quality is judged long before machines ever start. Fresh harvest moves swiftly to its next stage. From soil to system, the transition begins. Only the best continue the journey. Now, the harvest heads toward transformation. Once harvested, time becomes the most critical factor. Every kilometer protects the harvest's value. From farm roads to industrial arteries,
The processing world comes into view.
verification begins before unloading. Here, nature meets engineering at scale.
Precision starts at the point of entry.
Every move is measured and controlled. The processing journey officially begins.
Preparation ensures smooth flow inside.
Raw produce crosses the factory threshold. This space sets the rhythm for everything ahead. The flow becomes continuous.
The heart of processing begins with controlled intake.
Order is imposed before separation. Engineering protects what matters most. Inside, value is revealed. Gentle force frees the harvest. Nothing is wasted, everything is directed. Purity is refined further. Order is imposed before separation. Engineering protects what matters most. Inside, value is revealed. Gentle force frees the harvest. Purity is refined further. Now, transformation begins.
Uniform flow ensures consistent results.
Pure juice is released without compromise.
Color and nutrition travel together.
Clarity is engineered step by step. Efficiency respects every output. Stability prepares the next phase. Consistency defines quality.
Balance is carefully maintained.
Automation brings precision to every second.
Every parameter stays under constant watch. Flow is adjusted without human delay. Cleanliness never interrupts production. Continuity is preserved through intelligence.
Quality is verified at full speed.
Machines react faster than thought.
Every drop carries a digital history.
Now, refinement takes center stage.
Precision begins with exact measurement. Only purity moves forward.
Stability is engineered at the molecular level. Consistency defines the brand.
Balance is locked into every drop. Perfection allows no residue. The product rests in protected balance. The final form is now prepared.
Before release, science must confirm.
Verification begins before approval.
Science guards every standard.
Numbers reveal the truth.
Safety is tested beyond sight.
Visual perfection confirms process control.
Human senses complete the equation.
Only approved batches move forward.
Quality clears the path. The product is ready for the world. Precision delivers consistency at scale. Every seal protects what's inside. Traceability follows every unit. Individual units become global shipments.
Finished products await distribution.
Logistics complete the cycle. Freshness is preserved to the final mile. And this is how modern factories produce pomegranate products from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.